Hello, good day. Actually, I prefer to have face-to-face open day because you can, like people say, you feel, you see, you touch. It's much more better. Then you can ask more questions. You can get more information here, and there's a lot of stands all there, and a lot of people with experience. You know, you go around and they will tell you. Whereby you have it online, it's just like you're talking to the computer.
Actually, I think the social distancing, first of all, I think it's very good. Yeah, I saw there's a lot of SOP, yeah, it's the anti-wear well, yeah. And so far, I think Sunway is pretty like safe, yeah, because I saw a lot of people also keep their distance, social distancing very well, yeah. And so far, yeah, I think that's very good, yeah.
It will be this workshop because you get to do like hands-on activities, something that we can't really do nowadays, especially during the COVID time.
The program that I'm really particular is the Canadian International Matriculation Program.
So I took my foundation here and I really enjoyed the environment. The people in Sunway is really friendly and the lecturers are really nice too. So I decided to continue my degree here.
I really like the facilities and the environment, which is really create a very great study environment so that students can focus here.
When I think of Sunway University, I think of endless opportunities and a bright future.
It's amazing and excellence for today.
Great, yeah, it's great for me.
Very helpful.
Extraordinary.
Great.
Amazing.
Memorable.